Are you looking to understand the 2025 Chevrolet Silverado cluster display and dashboard warning indicators? This guide answers about your questions about key symbols, alerts, and meanings, helping you navigate your way with confidence and ease. Interior view. The dashboard features a sleek design with premium materials, an integrated infotainment system, wireless charging, and customizable ambient lighting. The 13.4-inch display features a high-res touchscreen with navigation and smartphone integration. The cluster features a customizable digital display with advanced graphics, real-time data, and driver assistance indicators. Intuitive climate control buttons allow for easy adjustment of temperature and airflow settings. The engine delivers 420 horsepower with advanced fuel efficiency and enhanced towing capabilities. The steering wheel is leather-wrapped, with manual tilt or telescoping and available heating depending on the trim. The sunroof features a large panoramic design with a power tilt and slide function for an open-air experience. Instrument cluster.
Cluster indicators.
Driver seat belt reminder, passenger airbag indicator, airbag readiness, passenger airbag indicator, charging system, malfunction indicator lamp, brake system, warning light, electric parking brake, electric parking brake service, anti-lock brake system, lane keep assist light, vehicle ahead indicator, FCA/ACC following gap light, pedestrian ahead indicator, traction off light, traction control system, electronic stability control, engine coolant temperature, sport mode, snow mode, off-road mode, tow haul mode, tire pressure light, engine oil pressure light, low fuel warning light, security light, high beam on light, IntelliBeam light, lamps on reminder, cruise control light, adaptive cruise control light, door ajar light, automatic emergency braking, curve speed control light, four-wheel drive light, front fog lamp light, hill descent control light, lane departure warning, passenger airbag indicator, second row passenger seat belt, trailer sway control light, normal mode. Safety precautions. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbols. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2, scanner for diagnostic. General instrument cluster symbols. General dashboard warning symbols are designed to help you understand the most common indicators found in all vehicles. Whether you're driving a sedan, SUV, or truck, these symbols play a crucial role in keeping you informed about your vehicle's condition and safety. Knowing what these symbols mean and how to respond can help prevent breakdowns, maintain your car's performance, and ensure your safety on the road. From the check engine light to the oil pressure and battery indicators, each symbol serves as an alert to help you take action before a small issue becomes a bigger problem. Understanding these warnings can give you peace of mind, keeping you aware of potential issues and allowing you to address them promptly. Now let's dive into the most common symbols you may encounter and what they mean for your vehicle. Now that we've covered some of the essential symbols, keep in mind that while many dashboard indicators are universal, some may differ depending on the make and model of your vehicle. It's always a good idea to consult your car's manual for specific meanings and recommendations. Thank you for watching. Remember, staying informed about these warning lights helps you maintain your vehicle's performance and ensures your safety on the road. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips.